An ADU for us has made a big difference because we were able to bring our son and daughter-in-law down here, and they're living in the main house now. We're living in the ADU, and that was our goal, and that's been our desire for many years. We felt comfortable doing it using Florida-made tiny homes because we had looked at some of the prefab homes that you can get as an ADU, and they were all 2 or 3 feet above ground, and that's not something we could have done because my wife is partially handicapped and we have to use a ramp. Going from design to construction with Florida-made tiny homes was an excellent experience. Overall, you guys have kept us in the loop, up to date on everything that needed to be done. The completion has impacted us by allowing us to get our son and daughter-in-law down here, and we were able to downsize because of our age and be able to use a smaller place so that we don't have to keep up the maintenance on such a large house as the one they're living in now. Working with Florida-made tiny homes, if somebody would ask me about that, I would say go for it. You guys have done an excellent job, and time frame was spot on. Workmanship was excellent. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. Having this ADU gives me a peace of mind. Because now that we're getting older, we've got something that we really love, and we appreciate Florida-made tiny homes for doing that.